Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel The Cozy Craftsmosphere. If you're here, chances are you're shopping for a diamond painter, or you are the diamond painter and you're about to send this video to someone as a hint for Christmas or maybe your birthday coming up. Either way, today I'm sharing the best gift ideas for diamond painters, whether you're shopping for a birthday, holiday, or just because. I've got options for every budget, from small stocking stuffers to wow gifts they'll actually use. So let's jump in. Well, number one is, of course, a diamond painting kit. You can't go wrong with that. It's the obvious, but also the safest gift. There are plenty of different painting kits. I'll link a few options down below. And there are just a few things that you should keep in mind when choosing a kit. Look for full drill instead of partial drill. That means that the complete picture is covered in drills, in diamonds, as for example with this diamond painting it's the case. There are drills, diamonds all over the canvas, so it's not just part of the picture. Then check whether they prefer round or square drills. This picture has round drills. They are a little bit easier to work with, but there are also some advantages of square drills. And when thinking about the theme of the picture, popular themes include landscapes, animals, fantasy, florals, and custom photos. We'll talk about that a little bit later. If you're not sure about their taste, a gift card to their favorite diamond painting store is always a win, so they can choose a picture on their own. So number two, diamond painting accessories. And I can tell you every diamond painter loves these. Accessories are amazing gifts because diamond painters always need more of them. Some great options are multi-placers, especially metal or ergonomic ones, extra drill pens in fun colors or designs, wax or putty alternatives. So for example here, this is a wax that came with this kit, but there are different other alternatives that you could use. Light pads for better visibility, and tray sets, for example stackable trays are also an option. Here I have just a regular tray, and there are some that also have like a stopper over here and you can stack them, so it's easier to use them and also to switch colors. These accessories are perfect if you want something thoughtful without breaking the bank. Number three is storage solutions. If the diamond painter in your life loves organization, this category is gold. Popular storage ideas are bottle or container storage systems for drills, zippered cases with labels, drawer units, or craft organizers. There are also portable storage for travel or events. Trust me, no diamond painter has ever said, I have too much storage. As an example, I can show you one of my storage trays. Like this one, as you can see, I still have a little bit left, but yeah, they fill up pretty quickly. Keep in mind, one painting might have 40 or even more different colors, so they fill up pretty quickly. This painting, for example, has 46 colors. Number four is comfort or ergonomic gifts. Diamond painting can take hours, so comfort gifts are incredibly thoughtful. Consider an adjustable lamp, like a desk lamp, wrist rests or arm supports, supportive chair cushions, magnifying lamps so it's easier to see which symbol you're placing your diamonds at, or anti-fatigue mats for standing desks. These gifts show you really get their hobby, you know what they are going through, and that it's not always comfortable to diamond paint, but of course you also show that you understand it's their hobby and you want to support them. Then number five, fun and personalized gifts. If you want something extra special, go personalized. Ideas include custom diamond paintings of a pet, family photo, or favorite memory. So there are shops that offer to make your own photo a diamond painting, so you could gift something like that. There are also personalized drill pens, diamond painting themed mugs, shirts or stickers. And then we have number 6, budget-friendly stocking stuffers. If you're shopping on a budget, don't worry, there are plenty of affordable options, so you can still have a thoughtful gift. You could give some extra wax, label stickers, small trays or cover minders. These are very small items, they are not expensive, and you can gift them just as a small gift, a wax like this, or like a collection of different waxes, like different colors. It could be something like this. Or maybe a different pen, a special form, it's more comfortable to use. You could also give washi tape for framing the canvas, so they can just do part of the picture at a time. So small gifts can still make a big impact, and they show that you know what their hobbies are, and they show that you care about gifting something that is special to the person who receives the gift. So there you have it, the best gift ideas for diamond painters, no matter what your budget is or how experienced the diamond painter is. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and let me know in the comments what's your favorite diamond painting gift you've ever received, or what is a gift that you would like to receive. Let us know so we have more ideas to share and we can all gift nice presents to other diamond painters as well. Don't forget to subscribe for more diamond painting tips, reviews and fun content. Thank you so much for watching, and happy diamond painting.